end of hell. You have no idea. I've been crawling home from Eisenhower Park just because I didn't know where the place was in Massapequa, whatever. Crawling all the way. It's been over an hour. My butt hurts. Not believe it. Just crawling all the way back. I didn't have enough time or energy to take. The snow was 4 inches thick. 4 inches thick. Look at this guy. Sheer hell. This is hell. Never so scared in my life. I did some mistakes, and some people did some mistakes, and that's poor lady. I didn't even help her get on. I feel so bad.